I have my June kits from Hip Kit Club. The box just arrived literally minutes ago. All I've done is open up the box and so you could see what was inside, and we're gonna go through all of these pieces together. So this month I have the main kit, the cardstock kit, the embellishment kit, the color kit, and the paper kit. I do not have the Pocket Life kit this month, so I won't be able to show you that, but I'll be able to show you all of the rest of this. So let me get it out of this box and I'll show the kits to you one at a time. Okay, here is the main kit for June. So we get this set of thickers, and I just saw somebody else show these in a haul, and I thought, oh my goodness, I have to find those. I didn't even realize they came in this kit. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, that these are from the new crepe paper line. They're called Indigo. I'm not entirely sure what collection they're from, but they are gorgeous. They're foam, and I don't know if you can see up close. They have, they're navy blue, which of course is my favorite color of late, but they have some like darker kind of black, almost distressing in them, or variation. They're gorgeous, and they're the perfect size. They're super thin. It'll be super easy to use them on lots of different projects. I'm very excited to get those. We also get these Amy Tangerine faux suede flowers. They are adhesive, very cute. We get these Vicki Boutin embellishments. There are 50 pieces in here, cardstock embellishments. Here is a look at what is inside. Also from Vicki Boutin, these puffy stickers. So these are little circles in different sizes, puffy stickers. Make sure you can see all of those. I really love that heart. That's really pretty. And this one down here as well. So I have to say that I don't have a lot of I don't have any, I think, Vicki Boutin in my stash. It's not something that I'm normally drawn to, but I'm very excited to try to use the stuff that's in this kit. So we'll take a look at the papers here in just a second. But these are sparkle thickers. These are phrase thickers. I think these are from Sparkle City, Chamel's line. Great titles here, and there is a lot of sparkle to these. They're also on pink foam, so that's a lot of fun. And then from Heidi Swap, from the Color Fresh line, these are stickers. So these are just cardstock stickers, and it's double-sided, so 2 sides of 6x12 stickers. Really pretty colors. Okay, now let's take a look at the papers. Get these things out of the way. I'm gonna try and make it so that you can see both sides as I turn them over. So this is from Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope. This is called Look Up. The back has a really gorgeous polka dot. It's in kind of an ombre. This one is from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. This is Let's Escape. That's a really gorgeous kind of tropical floral. And then on the back is another polka dot in navy. So you know I'll be using some of that. This one I think is Vicki Boutin. Yes, this is also from Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope. It's called Side Note. I really love this ledger paper and all these little ephemera pieces that are built in. But I also really love this. So it's got a very mixed media look to it. If you're not comfortable with mixed media, this would be a great background to start with since it's already built into the paper. This is a cut-apart sheet called Beyond Words from Vicki Boutin's Kaleidoscope. So lots of little pieces you can cut apart and use on different layouts or in pocket pages or in mini albums. And then the back is just a really nice distressed neutral in black and white. Here is a page from Heidi Swap's Color Fresh. This is bright and bold. I love these stripes. That is just gorgeous. And then the back is this very bright kind of lime green and white stripe. Another one from Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope. This is Paper Hearts. I, of course, will be fussy cutting all these hearts because how can you not? Those are just too much fun. Those will be a lot of fun to play with. The back is a very bright pink with a bit of a pattern in it. It's kind of like little, it looks like a quilt to me, like a little, I don't know what the name of that quilt is, but they're like little circles kind of partial circles, but it's very distressed. Also would make a great background if you're not afraid of bold colors. Heidi Swapp's Color Fresh again. This is Oh Yeah, all these fun phrases. I love that. And then these don't want to come apart. Let's see here. There. The back is, oh, this is gorgeous. Also another one that would make an excellent background. A very light, very simple, but it has, again, that kind of mixed media look to it, some splatters and distressing. I really love that. Here is another one, I think from Heidi Swapp Color Fresh. Yes, this is Counting on You. So we have these pink stripes and then all of these colorful numbers on the back. And then finally, another one from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. This is Sun-Kissed. So there's this gorgeous kind of faded rainbow on this side, and then the back has a bright yellow with some kind of squiggly lines. So that is the main kit for June. Next up, let's take a look at the embellishment kit. Okay, so the embellishment kit has 2 sets of thickers. Let's take a look at those first. So these are Hello Friend. These are from Vicki Boutin. So lots of little phrases and icons, like these banners are super cute. The cameras are adorable. Lots of phrases and titles and things down here on the back. There are lots of numbers, so that's going to be fun. And more little circles. These birds, which are really hard to see in the packaging, but they are super cute. Can't wait to use those. More cameras. There is a lot here. There's a lot on this page. So lots of embellishments to add to those Vicki Boutin papers that were in the main kit. We also get a thickers set called Be Kind. Again, I'm not sure what collection these are from, but they are kind of a rose gold foil and a rose gold glitter. So you get the full alphabet of each, but they've split it in half, so you can see both on both sides. But there's actually a full alphabet of the foil and a full alphabet of the glitter. Those are very pretty, very shiny. We get a couple things from Pinkfresh Studio Out and About. These are the epoxy clips. They are a lot of fun. They'll be a lot of fun to add to a pocket page. I can see myself using these in my Project Life album. And then also some stitch frames from Out and About. And there you can see all 6 of them that are in the package. There is actual stitching on these, which is a really easy way to add some texture to your pages, so that's also very fun. And then a stamp set. I love it when we get stamps. So these are Heidi Swapp. There you can see everything that is in here. So some labels, lots of phrases, those big quotation marks, those are a lot of fun, and a hashtag. So this is going to be fun to use. Okay, so that is the embellishment kit for June. Next up, let's take a look at the mixed media, or the color kit, that is. So this month's color kit comes with a stencil from Echo Park. It has this really gorgeous kind of lacy, almost florally design to it. I'm not sure, it doesn't say what collection it's from. It's called Floral Lace Stencil, but it doesn't say what collection it's from, so I'm not sure, but it's very pretty. It's, yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun to put some modeling paste through and then use the color that came in the kit. We get 3 Lindy's Stamp Gang Magical Powders, 1 in Azure Sea, 1 in Hottie Patati, and 1 in Summer Lovin'. And that one's a flat one. So these 2 are shimmery, and then this one is a flat one. So very pretty summer colors. They'll go really nicely with those bright colors that are in the papers from this month's kit. Okay, so last up, we're gonna take a look at the cardstock kit and the paper kit. Okay, so here is the cardstock kit for June. As you can see, we get 2 each of the colored ones, and then there are actually 3 of the whites. So this one is Mango, it's a basil textured cardstock. The white one here is Avalanche, that's also a basil textured cardstock. The yellow is Pollen, again, a basil textured cardstock. And then this super light pink one is called Tutu Pink. We've gotten it before. It's a lot of fun to use. It's so light and easy to use as a background if you're comfortable mostly using white. It's an easy one to swap out if you have lots of pink embellishments and papers to play with. So this one also a basil textured cardstock. And then this is Basil Marshmallow, which is the perfect cardstock to use for mixed media. It's my favorite. I love using it. I'm glad to have some more in my stash. So next up, I'm going to grab the papers so you can see how well they coordinate. Okay, so here are the papers in the paper kit. They're exactly the same as the ones that are in the main kit, so I'm not going to go through each one, but I wanted you to see how well they work together. So you can see the light pinks work with the tutu pink cardstock, the oranges in this floral paper, and the yellows in a lot of the different papers actually. All of it works together really, really well. It's going to be a fun kit to play with. So many bright colors. I'm very excited to get started. Okay, so there are all the bits and pieces in this month's kits. I am super excited to start playing with it all. They will all be linked down below in the description box, so you can go find them for yourself if you haven't picked them up already. I highly recommend it. These colors are perfect for summer. They're going to be perfect for lots of summery photos. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you all back here soon.